Most people panic when Swagbucks stops working. They think the app is broken, or their account is flagged. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, Swagbucks is not down. The issue is usually tied to tracking errors, browser problems, or account verification delays. Quick promise. In this video, you will learn exactly why Swagbucks is not working in 2026, how to fix login issues, survey errors, and missing rewards step by step, and how to make sure it runs smoothly every time you use it. Let's start with the most common issue. Swagbucks heavily depends on tracking. That means your browser, cookies, and device settings all matter. For example, Alex tries to complete surveys on his phone but keeps getting errors. The real issue is his ad blocker and disabled cookies, which prevent Swagbucks from tracking his activity correctly. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Even small changes like switching Wi-Fi networks or using private browsing mode can break tracking. So the system thinks your activity is incomplete or invalid. Now Jake faces a different issue. He completes offers but does not see credits. This usually happens when offers require you to stay on a page or install an app through a specific link. If you skip one step, the reward will not register. But here's the problem many users miss. Server-side delays are common. Sometimes Swagbucks has high traffic or advertiser delays and your points show up later instead of instantly. So what looks like not working is just delayed crediting. In a minute, I'll show you the exact setup that fixes most Swagbucks issues instantly. First, clear your browser cache and cookies. This removes broken tracking data. Second, disable ad blockers, VPNs, and privacy extensions. These tools often block Swagbucks from recording your activity. Third, use only one device per session. Switching between phone and laptop can interrupt tracking. Fourth, always complete offers directly through the Swagbucks link. Never search for the app or offer manually, or it will not credit properly. Fifth, check the My Activity or Pending section.app. This tells you whether your rewards are still processing or completely missing. If nothing changes after these steps, contact Swagbucks support with screenshots and offer details. Most missing credits can be recovered if reported early. So is Swagbucks actually broken in 2026? No. It still works, but it is extremely sensitive to tracking behavior and user setup. Most problems come from browser settings, incomplete offer tracking, or simple delays. To summarize, Swagbucks issues are usually not bugs. They are tracking or setup problems that can be fixed in minutes once you know what to check. If this helped you fix your issue, like the video, drop a comment with what happened, and subscribe for more real troubleshooting guides like this.